bad.
No bueno.
No buenos dias.
Cylinder 2 said not today.
Where's the screwdriver?
I waited 6 months for those pistons. 6 fucking months.
We're gonna fix that piston.
Yeah.
80%. Relax. This is racing shit, dude.
Alright, the rain cut the races short here today, but there was some unfortunate news. One of the boys had a little issue. We're gonna go get a little bit of behind the scenes footage here now. We got Neri's car out of the trailer. We got Francis's car in the trailer. And I'll show you guys why now.
Like right upside down.
Okay. You got all the pins out?
Yep.
You know what? I'm leaving the fucking manifold on. I'll take the wastegate off. I'll be able to lift this head straight up if I took the wastegate off.
Put that in there.
Just gonna leave it right here.
And now get fit that there.
Where do you set up your timing marks? Right here.
The CDs.
Oh! Fuck around, you gotta set up the do.
I just gotta do the 14 amp tensioner so I'd go straight off.
Right?
He's killing us.
Angus, we need a 12. Gotcha.
12? Just a one main connector for the head.
Did you get your 14?
Or pull that one out here off.
That's gonna stay on anyway, the intake's going with it.
Yeah.
That's fine.
We're hoping to replace a valve.
I took the, you want to use this here to get your return line off?
I got valves, I got them plugs. I got this, I got the spring compressor kit.
Well, the minute we get the head off,
We'll figure it out.
So if it's absolutely not going to work out, well then we're done. But if the cylinder's okay,
John, I'm going to start loosening up all your cam caps, sir.
Alright, give it to her.
is she in top dead?
Yep.
Okay.
At least had a little.
I got a fucking.
Once I crack some.
Dude, in my duffel
I'm
bag.
gonna squeeze this, is that okay?
The white, where's the white?
I got a winter watch over done. Here we go.
You finding it down your nuts? Oh, we knew she had them.
Yes. This is a 10mm too, ain't it?
What?
10 mil. 10mm too. Never mind, I got it.
Well, you don't need to be fucked over 10 mil.
You lose it. Exactly that one.
There you go.
Fuck all them, man, didn't you?
Well, for Jesus' sake, this is girdles. And that's a bit more serious shit.
Just lay them all out there.
Yeah, no.
The bolt's not out down there either. Them two there.
These two here, then two.
Alright.
Tyler's like, I know these motors.
I don't know these fucking things.
Tyler does.
Did you get your O-ring out of there?
Don't have me on this because I don't work on imports.
Oh,
I don't think the bolts are loose.
that's why they're not coming out.
I figured the first time you yanked and moved the car, you would have seen that, right?
I didn't watch them. Oh, I'm watching them.
Locked in new?
Right now it sounds like Subaru, so can't really call it a Honda anymore. Now I'll call it a fucking Honda-roo.
Well, it's acting like Subaru.
What cylinder was it?
There's Turbo.
This one here.
Cylinder 3.
Cylinder's this one that's giving trouble. Is it? Yeah, why am I?
Yeah. Keepers are there.
Tight.
Yeah.
You got a 13 mil film point?
I got one more red.
Here's that one. You can spin them up.
Like you're going, it's like tight, loose. Yeah, because like when you're touching.
I put them in. Take them off. Put them back. Oh, there's a hammerhead.
We got a small magnet yet?
I'll give them. Now, how much planted?
Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Come on, hook it on something, boys.
More some goings on.
Got her? Whoa, that's only fuel, that's only gas.
Alright, go that way.
That rag, one of them rags there.
Save one.
Something to prop this up too.
I'll grab a suction pump.
No grooves.
No?
No grooves.
Give me some paper towel, quick.
Try to get trailer for it, boys.
Too many bucks a trailer.
Ooh, she's fucking. That's fine. Don't worry about that. You stay there.
I'm your rag holder.
Now we're gonna stick them all these shit right in that rag.
Okay.
I got the first one. Why did you shut the track down when we got that? Right? You didn't even want the track.
No.
There we go.
Turn over the head, see what's going on there. Your cylinder's fine. Piston's scored up a bit on the top, but
He's pretty fucking shitty there though.
one little spot in the back.
Yeah, she's gone. Right there.
Let's say we put the piston all the way down, fucking hold that.
Hold that out. There is a gouging on the edge of it.
Send the valve though, I don't understand
See all that oil hitting the header wrap?
hit.
Well, the valves are in place, they're not bent.
That header wrap.
I had to go into the fucking turbo, something else. What's that huge deal?
No, you can hone that out.
How bad's the turbo? I can run in and get the buffer to take that out in the hole to do
In the hone.
Come back there and do
We
that.
gotta go to your place to get a. What do you got?
bronze or here?
You got a valve spring compressor and a hone?
I got everything.
Okay,
Well,
so.
special tool for this. So,
Yeah.
well, I could go get special tools.
Well, why don't we throw this in my trunk? We'll go now and get the tools. You'll get the hones and shit and the buffers. Meet us at the house. We'll buff down underneath the head. We'll clamp and seat that in. We'll come home and bang it back on and run it. It's just as well.
Alright, home goes.
And then you guys go get whatever.
I waited 6 months for those pistons. 6 fucking months.
We're gonna fix that piston.
Yeah.
80%. Optimistic shot. Relax. This is racing shit, dude.
Oh, no,
Didn't go down true. Hear me?
Like, like when Garth's backstretch she was fine. As soon as I went down staging lanes, I shut it off. I was going to do a deadlock. So I set up the computer, started doing deadlocking, didn't start the piston race. So, okay, I'll just turn around. Go start the car, click, click, click. Fuck. Like, wouldn't even turn over. Put the handbrake down, pushed the car back myself, got in, she started. So when she fired up, it started sounding like a fucking Subaru.
Yeah, she picked up something coming down the hill.
Alright, we're going. I'll get everything I need.
I got a list here from what I heard.
This one needs a tap.
We'll get the tag.
Get a little tap. Give her a tap.
Take that gun back to track with us too.
Absolutely. Yeah. Okay.
Just tight.
Okay, look, the locks are still in place. I need a magnet. Okay. Get the locks out.
Hold on, what's this? That's what went in your engine.
What is it?
Concrete.
No, that's dust from what we ground out.
Oh, good.
I never.
I think that's me running on it. Got about 6 of them, but they're at work. Now bring down the light so you can get a close to Jonathan.
Give me the other one. Yeah.
And that's the last thing we want to do after doing this all day. Go fire up and fucking valve down.
Yeah.
Go.
That's it, is it?
That's it, man.
We're on our way back to the truck, buddy.
1 week later.
Chad. What's up? I think you got the car back on the go. Yeah, we got her back on the go. Took a lot of man hours, but you know, it happened. So, what was the main issue after? Well, when we took the car apart here at the track last week, we found out to have 4 bent valves. So, took the car apart here, about to head out to Brian's house. We replaced the 4 valves, thinking, you know, we got them all. But we were going flat out at it, and you know, everybody was tired. We never bothered to check the rest of them. So when we hauled the head off yesterday, we found out we have 5 more vent valves. So
Damn, that sucks.
yeah, so we fill up all, we turn the cylinder head over, fill up all 4 cylinders, and it literally intake and exhaust one was like a river flowing. It was just pissing out everywhere.
No.
So I was like, okay. Brought my spare head up, dropped the tailgate in the truck, put 2 of them side by side, transferred stuff over from my fucked up cylinder head to my good cylinder head.
Yeah.
Put her back on, she never turned over 3 times, away she went.
Wicked.
Yeah.
And then you came out yesterday and ran.
Came out yesterday, first pass, she was not happy. Had to adjust a few things to the tune. Ran a 10.3, which was, that's not even, my stock Civic would run faster than that.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
So come back here in the tune, and I fucked with the tune a bit. I took some fuel out because she was really rich. and I adjusted a couple of the rev settings and a couple of safety things that were on that shouldn't have been. I turned them off. Went back out, ran an 876.
Wicked. Second run.
Second run.
That's the last run I had now.
That was the first complete full pass I've made on this setup as of now.
Good luck to you regardless. And congratulations on getting it on the go,
Listen,
man. What a ton of work.
I was down in the dumps for the longest time. Like, I just needed a mental break from the car. I gotta give the biggest, hugest shout out to Brian Healy, because like, he's the one who literally came out to my house and was like, yeah, let's do a compression test. All right, perfect. We did the compression test. One cylinder has 65. So that's nothing.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay. So when we hauled the head off, looked at the bottom end, see that the bottom end was fine. So I was like, okay, it's not so bad. When this car fired up, man, I could have jumped through the roof. I was fucking that excited, man. And
I love to hear that.
I can't give him enough praise, because without Brian, this car would still be home and I'd be out racing the Neon.
Yeah.
Right? As to date, my personal best is an 820 flat.
Okay.
That was in the Civic.
So anything under an 820 and you're breaking that?
Anything under an 820, I'm breaking my record.
Okay.
I'll be super stoked with just that.
Wicked.
But if I crack a 7.5 today, I'll be over the moon. You'll hear me screaming from up in the pits.
Very good. Well, good luck, man. I'll be down at the line filming.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah, you got that one clean? Congratulations, man.
Well, it's the first clean pass that it's made since putting the car back together. So 840, just about knocking on the door of my personal best. Fucked up the launch a bit, she bogged.
Negative 0280. So close to the perfect score.